I was gonna talk about how freaking brainwashed. Once again, we are about the vegetables and shit. How that's just one of the major ones. You can tell people are lacking some brain capacity, common sense. But then I found this incredible waterfall out of nowhere in the bush. I didn't know there was this cool ass waterfall here. So now we're just being mesmerized and getting into the zone by the waterfall while eating some raw chicken. I feel like there's gonna be some fairies and leprechauns trying to take my raw chicken up in this place. It's pretty magical. Ooh. So I'm just gonna save up the vegetable talk for tomorrow and enjoy this nature. I wanna go see where the waterfall starts. Little bush adventure. The shitty ass vegetables can't wait. Haven't seen one vegetable here. This waterfall real cool though. It's pretty big. There's some foam. You could probably drink this water. But I don't know what that foam's from. Natural spring water, the best kind of water to drink. Thank you, waterfall. Please don't attack me, fairies and leprechauns. But I hope I see a moose or something. I saw some moose poop yesterday, but I didn't see moose. I did see moose 2 days ago, but that was from the train, so not real encounter. Would be cool to go hunt a moose. Anyway, that's it. See you in the next one.